Welcome to Kaisthetic Home Inspo. If you love gentle spaces and warm minimalist living, take a soft moment to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to support this growing calm community. Now allow yourself to slow down. In a home where light falls quietly across neutral walls and every texture feels intentional, simplicity begins to feel comforting. Here, small spaces are not limiting. They are intimate. They are enough. Let's step into today's story. Step into a kitchen where timeless elegance is softened by warmth, creating a space that feels both refined and deeply welcoming. Inspired by the unmistakable character of restoration hardware, this warm modern kitchen embraces understated luxury through natural materials, graceful proportions, and a quiet sense of permanence. Every surface invites touch, every corner reflects thoughtful craftsmanship, and every detail contributes to an atmosphere that feels effortlessly sophisticated. Rather than demanding attention through ornament, the room captivates through balance and restraint. Sunlight gently drifts across aged wood, natural stone, and softly textured fabrics, while muted tones create a comforting backdrop for everyday rituals. It is a kitchen designed not only for preparing meals, but for gathering, lingering, and creating memories that unfold slowly with the passing hours. The architecture is rooted in simplicity, yet every proportion feels intentionally composed. A spacious open-plan layout allows the kitchen to breathe naturally into the surrounding living spaces, encouraging effortless movement and connection. The expansive central island anchors the room with quiet confidence, while perfectly aligned cabinetry establishes a rhythm that feels both structured and serene. Tall ceilings enhance the sense of openness, drawing the eye upward before allowing it to settle on carefully framed architectural details. Wide passageways, subtle symmetry, and generous circulation create an environment that feels luxurious without excess. Every transition from one space to another is fluid, allowing the architecture itself to become part of the experience rather than simply a backdrop. Rich natural materials define every surface with remarkable authenticity. Thick slabs of softly veined marble wrap the island and countertops, their delicate patterns resembling flowing rivers carved by time. Smooth limestone textures blend seamlessly with warm oak cabinetry, creating layers of tactile beauty that become more inviting with every glance. Brushed brass hardware introduces quiet moments of warmth, catching gentle reflections rather than bright flashes. Hand-finished wood reveals subtle grain variations beneath a soft matte finish, while clear glass and understated steel accents provide contrast without interrupting the calm. Together, these materials create an environment where every element feels enduring, honest, and beautifully aged. The palette unfolds like a peaceful morning, wrapped in soft natural light. Creamy whites, warm taupe, sandstone beige, mushroom gray, and gentle oatmeal tones merge effortlessly, creating a harmonious landscape of understated elegance. These earthy neutrals embrace the room with quiet confidence rather than dramatic contrast. Layers of warm brown timber introduce depth and familiarity, while subtle charcoal accents ground the composition without overwhelming its softness. The restrained use of color allows textures and natural light to become the true focal points, filling the room with a timeless calm that never feels cold or predictable. Walls become elegant canvases that quietly celebrate craftsmanship. Smooth plaster finishes create soft transitions between light and shadow, giving each surface an almost velvety appearance throughout the day. Carefully proportioned wall paneling introduces subtle architectural depth while maintaining a clean, contemporary aesthetic. Minimal decorative moldings frame the room with classic refinement, adding a sense of permanence without unnecessary ornamentation. Occasional niches display handcrafted ceramics and sculptural objects, transforming empty walls into thoughtful moments of quiet visual interest that enrich the overall atmosphere. Wide plank European oak flooring stretches seamlessly across the room, its warm natural grain bringing a comforting sense of continuity beneath every step. The gently brushed texture preserves the authentic beauty of the wood, while offering a lived-in softness that feels welcoming rather than formal. As sunlight shifts throughout the day, delicate reflections glide across the matte finish, revealing subtle variations in tone and texture. The flooring grounds the kitchen with warmth and stability, creating a foundation that complements every surrounding material while encouraging a relaxed, effortless elegance. Above, the ceiling remains beautifully restrained, allowing the room's proportions to take center stage. Soft recessed detailing frames the perimeter, while discrete architectural beams introduce quiet dimension without overpowering the clean composition. Hidden lighting is seamlessly integrated into the ceiling, casting an even glow that gently washes across the room after sunset. The generous ceiling height amplifies the feeling of openness while preserving an intimate atmosphere, proving that spaciousness and comfort can exist together in perfect harmony. Large steel-framed windows invite nature to become part of the interior experience. Morning sunlight enters gradually, illuminating stone surfaces with a golden warmth that evolves throughout the day. Every changing hour paints new patterns across the countertops, cabinetry, and wooden floors. Light linen drapery hangs gracefully from ceiling to floor, gently shifting with the softest breeze. The translucent fabric diffuses daylight into a delicate glow, softening every edge while maintaining an uninterrupted connection to the landscape beyond. The boundary between indoors and outdoors becomes beautifully blurred. As daylight fades, carefully layered lighting transforms the kitchen into an intimate sanctuary. Oversized pendant lights suspended above the island emit a warm amber glow, becoming sculptural focal points while gently illuminating the workspace below. Hidden LED lighting beneath cabinetry softly highlights the natural veining of stone surfaces, creating depth without distraction. Wall sconces contribute subtle pools of light, while carefully controlled shadows enhance the room's architectural character. Together, the lighting creates an atmosphere that feels cinematic, peaceful, and quietly luxurious long after sunset. Furniture is selected with an emphasis on timeless craftsmanship rather than passing trends. The substantial kitchen island serves as both a functional centerpiece and a gathering place, its generous proportions encouraging conversation and shared moments. Upholstered counterstools wrapped in textured linen offer inviting comfort with elegantly understated silhouettes. Nearby dining furniture echoes the same philosophy through solid wood construction, softly rounded edges, and impeccable detailing. Every chair, bench, and table feels thoughtfully crafted to age gracefully, embracing the beauty that comes with everyday use while maintaining refined sophistication. Decorative pieces appear carefully collected rather than intentionally styled. Handmade ceramic bowls, weathered cutting boards, sculptural stone vessels, and artisanal pottery create quiet visual stories across open shelving and countertops. Their organic forms celebrate imperfection, adding warmth without clutter. Fresh olive branches and seasonal greenery introduce life and gentle movement into the space. Linen kitchen towels drape naturally over brass handles, while softly flickering candles cast dancing reflections across polished stone during the evening hours. Every decorative element contributes to a feeling of calm authenticity that never feels excessive. The atmosphere is one of effortless serenity, where luxury is expressed through comfort rather than extravagance. Gentle natural light, rich organic textures, and harmonious proportions come together to create a kitchen that feels deeply grounding and emotionally restorative. Every sensory detail encourages slower living and mindful appreciation of everyday moments. Whether filled with the aroma of freshly baked bread, quiet morning coffee, or the laughter of family gathered around the island, the room remains consistently inviting. It embodies timeless elegance not through perfection, but through warmth, authenticity, and an enduring sense of home. As the final light of the day settles softly across stone, wood, and linen, this restoration hardware-inspired kitchen reveals its greatest luxury, not grand decoration, but the quiet beauty of timeless living. Every carefully chosen material, every warm reflection, and every thoughtfully crafted detail creates an environment where comfort and sophistication exist in perfect balance. More than simply a place to cook, this kitchen becomes a sanctuary for meaningful conversations, slow mornings, shared celebrations, and peaceful evenings. It reminds us that true elegance is never loud. It is found in natural textures, gentle light, enduring craftsmanship, and the comforting feeling of coming home to a space that grows more beautiful with every passing day. As this space slowly fades into silence, may the calm remain with you. If you enjoyed this peaceful home journey, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Your presence here truly means everything. Until the next warm and quiet space. See you soon.